home loans. Now that's the usual answer for all of us when we think of our dream home. And now could be the right time to put some money down for that loan. Why? Because banks are beginning to cut interest rates. So what option is going to work best for you? What if you already have a home loan? George Koshi goes on a house hunting mission.
1990s, interest on home loans see a rising trend. Borrowing rate reaches a peak of 14% by the dawn of the millennium. A low interest rate regime and a declining inflation rate helps cap this and brings the rate down to 8% by 2004. Come 2005, and rates steadily start climbing again from 9 to 10%, touching a high point of 12% in 2006. It finally now seems there's hope.
Currently, the home loans have come down by about 50 basis points for new borrowers, not for the existing borrowers. It is basically because there is a high liquidity currently.
With HDFC having taken the plunge first, won't be long before other banks too follow suit. But as much as the good news, for home loan borrowers like Philip and his wife, who's taken a floating rate loan 6 months back, the only hope is that they too can enjoy the benefit.
I'll wait for ICICI to launch there or till they reduce their rates. If they don't do that, probably I will have to then shift to HDFC.
With all the fluctuations in the home loan segment and with property prices also going up the roof, time really is dearer. Where does the consumer then put his money? On the more expensive fixed rate or on the dicier floating rate?
20-year true fixed rate, which cannot be changed by the bank, is available at around 13.25. 20-year floating is available at about 10.5, which means there is a huge gap of 2.5%. Based on today's circumstances, a floating rate loan makes much more sense.
So even as you debate between the floating and the fixed rate, one can only hope that this dip in rates is here to stay.
So if you've decided to bite the home loan bullet, let's make it even easier for you. Joining us now in our studios is Jayant Verma. He's a real estate consultant and he's here to give us some tips. Jayant, thanks so much for joining us on All About the Money. Now, the big question on everybody's mind is, that home loan, should I be going in for it right now or not?
Home loans have dropped by 0.5 to 0.75. Therefore, the downward trend has started, but it will not ever go down to the heydays of 7.5%. Therefore, it is good to bite the bullet and invest in a home loan now. And also maybe convert your fixed rate home loans into the floating rate.
Essentially, the answer is yes, one should step in now. However, it's all connected to property prices, isn't it? Because prices have run up so much. Is it likely to run up more because then my dream home gets even more expensive if I wait?
No, prices are not going to rise in the immediate future. In fact, prices have come down by about 10 to 15% across the country. At some places, it's up to 25%. However, in real estate, prices always go up. The downward corrections is only for a short period. So the prices have come down, they have stabilized. This is the time to go in for it.
And what if I already have a home loan at this point and here I see interest rates going down? Should I, for instance, be thinking of refinancing loans? Is that an option I should be looking at?
Refinancing has its own costs. So you've got to look at what would be the conversion costs to go in with another company or another loan, type of loan. Having worked on that, then maybe if it is worth it, then go in for it. I can't offhand tell you which one to go for.
So Jayant, now is the time to start thinking about that home loan. That is the bottom line. If you are going to be focusing on that dream home, buy it now, take a home loan.
Yes, this is the right time and not wait.
Okay, not wait. That's the bottom line. Thanks, Jayant, for joining us.